Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank Allah Subhanahu wa Taala for His grace that I was able to complete this report. Then, I would like to thank Mrs. Nadia Fadilah Fidiallah MPD as the coordinator of the Business Education Study Program. And then, I would like to thank Mrs. Professor Dr. Koryo Hanna MM as my supervisor. And don't forget to my parents and friends who have supported me in making this report. In this video, I will present my internship program report at PDAM Tirta Kahuripan Bogor Regency, Ciamis Branch. Before I begin, I will introduce myself. My name is Harfianti Nurwafa from 2019 Business Education Program Study, Faculty of Economics at University of Jakarta. This is my company profile. I am an intern at PDAM Tirta Kahuripan Bogor Regency Ciamis Branch, which is located at Jalan Raya Ciamis number 325 Pintu Ledeng, Ciamis District, Bogor Regency, West Java, 16610, and there is a telephone number and website for PDAM Tirta Kahuripan Bogor Regency Ciamis Branch. And then this is the history of PDAM Tirta Kahuripan Bogor Regency. PDAM Bogor Regency is one of the institutions most responsible for the provision of clean water, especially for the people in Bogor Regency. Operating since 1983, currently the total number of customers is more than 90,000 customers, spread over 18 sub-districts in the Regency and 5 sub-districts in Depok City. For satisfaction and ease of service to customer, PDAM Bogor Regency currently has 11 service branches, 2 service units, and 30 clean water treatment plants, while the number of customers in the Ciamis service branch is 27,000 customers. The purpose and objective of PDAM Bogor Regency is to grow and develop services to the community by utilizing the potential of society resources which so far have gone through the stage of development. There has been an increase in production, distribution, and service coverage that does not realize the element of quality, quantity, and continuity. Next, this is my company vision. And there is a vision from PDAM Tirta Kahuripan Bogor is to be the most advanced and best drinking water company in Indonesia. And its mission is 1. Provide drinking water service with quality, quantity, and continuity in accordance with the recruitment and pay attention to the affordability of the community. 2. Increasing the coverage of drinking water service in Bogor Regency area. 3. Increase company revenue in order to support company development and contribution to original revenue. 4. Improve the professionalism of human resource and employee welfare. And 5. Increase active role in environmental preservation of raw water source in the Bogor Regency area. And this is the organizational structure of PDAM Tirta Kahuripan Bogor Regency Ciamis Branch. The President Director of PDAM Tirta Kahuripan Bogor Regency is Mr. Yuliansyah Anwar, and the PDAM Tirta Kahuripan Manager Bogor Regency Ciamis Branch is Mr. Hairani, and they have 3 assistant managers. The first is Assistant Manager of Administration and Finance Division is Mrs. Kartika S.A. And second, Assistant Manager of Customer Relations is Mr. Tadi. And third, Technical Division Assistant Manager is Mr. Moldy Mardiansa. And the Administration and Finance Division staff have 5 staff. And Customer Relations Division staff have 19 staff. And 15 staff. And Technical Division staff have 8 staff. And have freelance daily worker is 8 employees. And then this is internship schedule. This is my internship program. The internship program is carried out for approximately 6 months starting from March 7, 2022 until August 7, 2022. The internship is in accordance with the working hours of PDAM Tirta Kahuripan Camas branch, namely from Monday to Friday at 8 p.m. until 3 p.m. and the practitioner does his work in this office or work from office. And my job description in the customer relation division is have 3 job description. The first is make a service request. And this is an example of a service request state. A service request certificate is made if there is a complaint from a customer. Complaints that often occur at PDAM Tirta Kahuripan have various kinds, such as complaint about leaks due to small water flow or changing matter, and customer who have resigned. The practitioner tries to create and input data from the service request from into Excel to make it easier to find customer data. The service request certificate must be approved by both the customer and the company. And the job description number 2 is make a work order. A work order is later given by the customer relation division to the technical division in the event of complaint by a customer. The difference is a work order in carry out to print data on customer who have disconnected the water meter. Then replace the meter, make a new connection, and reconnection if it has been disconnected or is called an exit. The practitioner tries to make a work order and recap it to Excel data for termination and recap to a book for termination. And the last is make a statement of suspension of termination. A letter of suspension of termination is made if a customer who is unable to pay for the arrears so that the termination occurs. And making this termination letter, it must be approved by both parties. The customer can postpone it for several months, for example, 3 or 4 months for no termination. Submission of correct and honest information by customer will be accepted by PDAM Tirta Kahuripan Bogor Regency Camas branch. And a statement letter of suspension or termination will be made with the accepted agreement. The practitioner tries to make the statement in accordance with the agreement that has been made. If this is valid, the company will terminate it because it exceeds the limit of the agreement made on the stamp. And then into division, job description. First, serving water bill payment transaction at the counter. Water bill payment transactions are carried out on the use of water in the last month, which is paid in the following month. Water payment cannot be in arrears for more than 3 months because they will be fined for arrears. In addition, payments are made before the 20th of each month so as not to be subject to fines. The fine is saved by the customer is 10% of the usage. Practitioner performs service on customer transaction by knowing the bill through the billing of PDAM Tirta Kahuripan Bogor Regency Camas branch with service number 7. And then job description number 2, make a proof deposit report every month. This is example. Making a proof of deposit report is done every month. This is done so that the monthly income is clearly detailed. The practitioner prints and makes a deposit proof report with 3 parts. The first is deposit proof for all operators. The second is the deposit proof report of the Camas service branch. And the last is deposit proof report at PPOB or the bank. Data is obtained through PDAM billing for proof deposit. And job description number 3 is doing stock opnam. Stock opnam needs to be carried out by every company to check every incoming and outgoing item. So that is recorded according to file condition. The practitioner does stock opnam once a week to see the condition of the goods in the warehouse. Goods taken from warehouse must be in accordance with purchase order for goods. When doing stock opnam, the new card becomes its reference because the data that has been taken through the goods request certificate will be written with upload data in the goods card book. And this is my obstacle. The one is poor communication between supervisor and practitioner at the beginning of the program. Number two, difficulty in using PDAM billing application because of many feature I don't know about before, entry inadequate of facility. And how to overcome obstacle. One, I ask again if you do not understand and explain the case again so that there are no misunderstanding. And two, I ask supervisor or other employees and the court procedures for using fitur in PDAM billing. And last, I turning off some official facilities and recommending additional facilities. And the conclusion from the presentation that I covered is one, the practitioner can implement knowledge that has been obtained during the lecture. Number two, practitioner can improve insight, knowledge, and skill at work. And three, improve the relationship between Jakarta State University and internship program. And this is my documentation with the employee of PDMT Pakar Bogor Regency, Thomas Prank. And that's all I can say. Sorry if there are mistakes. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.